Waheguru ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru ji ki Fateh. Satsriakal saare nu. Mera naam Singh hai, New Zealand to. So guys, today is New Year's Day. So Sharan and I have both got a little bit of time off at the exact same time. So we're going to be heading on a small road trip from here on the farm to Queenstown and then to Milford Sound. We just drove here from Christchurch yesterday and we spent New Year's Eve with Mum and Dad. And now we're just getting ready, packing the car and about to head off to Queenstown. So just chucking the suitcase in the car. Hello Pat. Happy New Year. How are you? All good? Pat's just chilling out. New Year, no big deal, right Pat? One of our family friends lives just near Queenstown, so we're going to go and visit him, and we're probably going to pitch a tent up there and stay the night, and then tomorrow we will head to Milford Sound. Guys, Queenstown shayad 350 kilometers ਸਾਡੇ ਖੇਤ ਤੋਂ, so it should take us about 3-4 hours to get there. So we're just leaving the farm now guys, off to Queenstown. Just here in Omarama now, just stopping for a break and gonna grab some ice cream. So guys, we just arrived at Arrowtown now and we're just going to go grab some lunch and then go and see our family friend. Just arrived at my family friend's house. So this is their lovely wee place here, and there's an awesome wee track which goes down to the river. Such a beautiful wee spot. Just had a nice chat with them, and Sharon and I are now going to be heading into Queenstown to go for a walk around and have a look at the lake and spending a nice few hours there. Chaliye?
Yes.
Guys, it is Sunday morning. It is about 5:30 in the morning and we are just getting ready to head to Milford Sound. And we're off. Good morning. So if you guys can hear, there are some alpacas out here having a play fight with each other. Here one of them comes. Hello. Hello. Kada.
As long as he's not biting me.
we just stopped at a lookout and look at this incredible view. Finally arrived, guys. So we've just parked at the parking lot just over there, and we're gonna go grab a cup of coffee and then head over to our cruise. Second chai latte of the day, guys. And we have about an hour until our cruise starts, and we've already seen quite a few people walking around in the car park and in the cafe that we actually know from Christchurch. So I've got a feeling there's going to be a few people on our cruise that have booked for the same day, and we'll probably bump into them. So bless you. So now we're heading to the docks where the cruise boat's going to be. I think we have to go down there. It's a nice walkway, Hannah, down. Just have to wait a couple of minutes, guys, and then we're getting on our boat. So guys, we're currently right under the waterfall. Getting pretty wet. So guys, we were just inside this facility here, which has a observatory 8 meters below the surface, so that's where we just were looking at the fish. So guys, we're just waiting to go through the tunnel, and look who came to say hello. Hello. So guys, we're just back in Queenstown now from Milford Sound, and we are just going to grab a bite to eat and then head back to Christchurch. Guys, hun मैं ते शरण Christchurch वापस पहुंच गया हाँ. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह.